In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making method that's going to pay you to literally use your mobile device. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end because this is a brand new method. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is something that's kind of unique on making money, you guys. So let's go into the earnings real quick because that's where we're going to start to make the most of our money. So it says every mode is earning mode. So it says our squad featured. So these are the companies that are actually featuring this product or like pretty much being backing it up in a way. So you can see all of those. Put money right in your hands. How do I earn? Earn as you go. Music mode, game mode. So it says we pay you for fun. Find your next favorite games and puzzles to download while you earn money for reaching new levels. Music mode, turn your high notes into bank notes. Earn from every song you play while amplifying your savings of $120 a year by throwing away the cost of your streaming services. We have even task mode. Switch on earnings mode. Earn money for sharing your opinions and performing tasks with the bigger brands in the world. There's even fitness mode, guys. So you can earn different ways right here. Fitness mode, lock mode, charge mode, cash mode, surf mode, share mode, data mode, finance mode, crypto mode, news mode, weather mode, save mode, watch mode. So you can do everything on this device and earn money from doing that. And even on top of that, guys, all of the previous money making methods that I've talked about that are applications can be used on this device as well. And you can start to earn money like Honeygain, like S'mores, or even like Crypto Tab Browser, all on this one device that's making you even more money from using it itself. So this is gonna earn you around $600 a year for just purchasing this product, guys. And you can see that information right here. So we just click on the mode right there at the top left hand corner. You can see that's gonna lead us to this site, and it says the first device ever to pay you $600 or more a year for what you do daily. Estimated earnings based on 4 hours of daily usage on participation in the earning modes. So only 4 hours a day, that's gonna make you around $600 or more every single year for just using a device. We're putting the power in your pocket with a device that makes every day more rewarding. Mode is transforming the way you can use your smartphone. Mode has customized the latest versions of Android 10's interface with the world's first earn as you go experience. We have turned the time and attention you spend in your mobile device into extra income. Now you might be asking about the prices. Well, in order to actually purchase this, guys, there's two methods. You can actually do payment plans, which only 4 payments of I think $30 a week or bi-weekly, or you can actually just purchase it straight up for $100, guys. This is something really interesting. I did the payment plan just why not? Why not spend less money, get the device while it's here, and then once I have it here, start making money. And I still haven't even paid off the phone yet. So this is a really cool way you can actually start to earn money with just a mobile device. Instead of using your mobile device that you're using right now to possibly even watch this video, we'll use this actual application or purchase this phone. And the links are going to be down below, guys, so you can actually start to purchase phone farming phones that are going to work for you 24 hours a day and earn you money in multiple modes. So this is something that's really cool, guys, and I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you guys can get started right now. It says right here, fully unlocked 12 months warranty, 100% freedom making money. The cool thing about this phone is that you can actually get paid for doing every single thing that you use on this phone. So you can see it's an Android phone right here. I've recently just purchased this myself and it's already on its way to my house. Now this is a really interesting way to actually earn money with mobile devices, guys. So I purchased one just for now to see how it works out, and based off of what it says on the screen right here, guys, it's going to be something really crazy to actually get started with. If you stayed to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. We're already up to 5,600 subscribers right there, guys. This is insane. I really appreciate all of you for actually watching all of my videos, and go down there, guys. I have over 400 different videos on my channel showing you different money making strategies, and you can see the thumbnails are not the greatest, but the information inside of these videos are really informative. So get started watching these videos, over 400 of them. And guys, I would not be here if it wasn't for you, so I really appreciate it. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.